everyone, introduce myself. My name is Andini Hermansyah. Now I will explain about the personal letter. Okay, we move to first discussions, definitions of personal letter. A personal letter is a type of letter writing by a person to another person with a personal purpose. They are usually informal or semi-formal and are used to communicate with friends, family, or acquaintances. Personal letters can contain a variety of topics such as stories about daily life, experience, feelings, congratulations, or requests. Next, structure and parts of personal letters. First, heading, consisting of sender's name and address and date of letter writing. Second, salutation, consists of a greeting such as Dear, recipient's name. Third, body of the letter, consists of opening paragraph, body paragraph, and closing paragraph. Fourth, closing salutation, consists of closing words such as sincerely or best regards. And the fifth, signature, consists of sender's name. Next, types of personal letters. First, person-to-person letters. Person-to-person letters are personal letters sent by one person to another person that deal with personal matters as opposite to business matters. And here are the types. First, condolence letter. Condolence letters are personal expressions of heartfelt sympathy to someone who is grieving. During times of mourning, spoken words of comfort may not come easily. Writing a condolence letter can provide a meaningful source of comfort to the bereaved. Second, friendly letters. Friendly letters are a type of letter writing to people who are relatives, friends, peers, acquaintances, or anyone with whom you have a relationship. It is not a prerequisite that the recipient must be your friends. It can be anyone who is friendly with you. Third, goodbye letters. A goodbye letter is a type of letter that is writing to convey the feeling of goodbye to people who are leaving or being left behind. Goodbye letters are also written when you don't want to maintain the relationship or you don't want to continue the work. For example, next types, person-to-business letters. Person-to-business letters are personal letters that individuals send to business or institutions or that deal with matters related to some kind of business relationship between the two parties. Here are the types. First, acceptance letters. Acceptance letters is an official letter from the university stating that the scholarship recipient is accepted unconditionally as a student, which at least includes full name, study level, and study program. Second, application letters. Application letter is a letter writing to a company when someone applies for a job. Third, commendation letters. Commendation letters are message writing to express gratitude and general recognition for special deeds. They are usually unsolicited. In some cases, they offer a reward for recognized actions such as a promotion or bonus wage payment. Next, function and purpose of personal letters. Function of a personal letters. First, a means of sharing information. As a letter, a personal letter is used to share information. Almost any information can be conveyed through this letter. For example, current conditions, activity schedules, or other things that the recipient of the letter wants to know. Second, media for requesting and apologizing. After the advancement of information technology, people can directly apologize through short message. However, personal letters to ask for an apology are still used in some circumstances, especially for minor mistakes or matters of an official nature. An apology letter shows that the sender of the letter is making an official and earnest apology. Third, to express feelings. Personal letters are also or can be used to express feelings. Of course, it has its own privilege for the recipient. Fourth, to represent the letter writing. In some circumstances, letter writing can be used to represent the letter writer. For example, when we don't have time to take care of the vehicle tax, we can write a letter so that a relative or someone you trust can represent taking care of the text. Fifth, developing grammar skills. Writing letters can also help you develop your grammar skills. The more often we write personal letters, the better our grammar skills will be. If we write letters in English, our English skills will also improve. Sixth, inviting someone. Until now, inviting letters are still in use. By giving an invitation letter, the recipient of the letter will feel that his presence is important and taken into account. In general, invitation letters are still given in physical forms. However, invitation letters in digital form are also starting to be widely used. Seventh, congratulating. Congratulations can also be delivered by letters. In addition, congratulatory letters can also be used by companies for outstanding employees or potential customers. 8. Expressing gratitude or thank you. Finally, we can also use personal letters to express our gratitude. Thank you notes writing a letter usually have a deeper and more special impression. Next, purpose of personal letter. Personal letter is an informal writing message between friends, relatives, and acquaintances. The purpose of personal letters is to inform that the receiver that the sender wants to tell and important things like personal feelings, thoughts, or experiences which are meant to be read by a specific person. Next, characteristic of personal letters. The first, personal letters include informal letters. Second, the content is family or friendship in nature. Third, using language that tends to be non-standard or unofficial. Fourth, the content can express a person's feelings for the person being addressed. Fifth, writing or linguistic style use personal pronouns such as I, you, we. Next, language characteristic of personal letters. The language characteristic of personal letters are: first, contain text that is personal and founding. Second, writing that involves personal impressions. Third, contains personal impressions that are not explicitly mentioned. Fourth, contains more vivid personal impressions. Fifth, contains more visual personal impressions. Sixth, contains personal impressions that are clearer than general impressions. And seventh, contains personal impressions that are more visual than general impressions. Next, here is an example.
That's all from me, thank you.